Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the lecture series on solar power systems. And this lecture series is actually based on the course which we are going to study the solar power generation. Okay, so what in this course we are going to study is about the solar power systems. For this is a very important lecture series for the students, for everywhere, for my students in this university, and for anyone around the globe. If you want to start your own solar PV business, or you want to start your solar systems services, or if you are an engineering student and want to understand what is actually the solar power systems, so this lecture series or this course is actually for you. In this course, we are going to cover in detail how you can start your own business regarding the solar power systems, or if you are working for a firm, for a company which is dealing with the solar power systems, then these lectures are going to be very helpful for you. And I'm confident that the lectures or the information you will learn in these lectures will be helpful for you in the field work. So without wasting our time, let me introduce you that this lecture series is covered in 3 phases. In phase 1, we are going to discuss the introduction to solar PV systems. Like we will be studying some practical terms which are used. And in the phase number 2, we are going to study the components of this system, like the batteries, inverters, which type of inverters are used, which type of batteries are used, and their combinations. These things we are going to study in our phase number 2. And in phase 3, which is one of the most important phase regarding the practical concepts. So in our phase number 3, we are going to study the designing, or I must say that we are going to cover the calculations which are regarding, like for the calculations regarding the field works, the calculations which are used in the field, that what should be the rating of a solar PV system, or what should be the rating of the PV panels, what should be the rating of battery, what should be the rating of the inverters. So all these stuff we are going to cover in these 3 phases. So stay tuned to this channel and to this lecture series, and we will be covering these things in the upcoming lectures. And the link of the first lecture, which is the phase 1, introduction to solar PV system, is also available in the description of this video. So this course is going to be a short as well as a comprehensive level course. We will try to cover all these concepts in less time, so that you will be ready for your next venture. If you are an engineering student, if you are willing to understand the basics of the solar power systems, or the if you are working with a company, or if you want to start your own business, or if you want to provide your services on the freelance marketplace. Because in the freelance marketplace, this phase number 3, which is the designing and calculations of the field work calculations regarding the PV panels, the batteries and inverters, most of the people are interested in finding out those calculations through the engineer. So you can work as a consultant engineer remotely everywhere if you are able to understand all of these 3 phases. So here I'm going to end up this introductory video, and we will meet up with the lectures regarding phase number 1 in the next video. So stay tuned.